Hello, my dear students. After a long time, we are meeting. Hope all of you are well, safe, healthy, and staying at your home. And also, you're following the said instruction by the government of India. In these conditions, means situation of pandemic COVID-19, where all the countries of the world suffering due to this pandemic, we are also staying at home due to that only. And in this situation, it is not possible to meet you at school. That's why I'm here with a new chapter to discuss with you. And today we will learn some more information about your this new point, that is the topic from your geography syllabus. Okay, student? So before going to the point or topic, I will discuss something. Students, every day morning you see some conditions of the weather are there. Maybe that is sunny, it gradually change. Sometimes it become cloudy, sometimes it become rainy. Even at that afternoon time, in this situation, you are getting to see some stormy that winds also blowing. Even sometimes light rain you are receiving. So why this is happening? In a word, we call this as weather. And same way, whole year, mean 12 months, you are experiencing different kind of condition. It means that is season. Sometime you are feeling too much cold, that is winter season. Sometime too much hot, that is summer season. Even we are receiving the rainfall, that is rainy or monsoon season. So what is this? This is also at a word we can say that climate. But in broad sense, if we want to discuss these two words, we have to know this chapter. The topic of today is weather and climate. This is chapter 3 from your syllabus. Okay, students? So be focused and see that. Hope you have understood today's point of discussion is the topic weather and climate, chapter 3. So first we are going to know about weather. What is weather? Here the definition is very important. See and memorize the definition so that you can understand all the characteristics about weather. Weather, it is the atmospheric condition at a place at a point of time which changes continuously. Okay, so here we are getting the characteristics where at a particular place, at a point of time, and which changes continuously. Okay, so this is called weather. Here I will first say that how weather actually we can experience. I already have explained just before 1 minute that sometime we can experience rainy, sometime we can experience cloudy, sometime it dry, sometime it can be sunny. Different kind of that condition we can experience. That is only weather. Even you have seen when at your place it is sunny weather, some kilometer away from your place there is raining. So the condition or the weather of your place is sunny, but the weather of that place is rainy. So here we changes with the time. With the time at a particular place, small place, not a large area. Okay, so that is called weather. Is it clear, student? Have you seen, students, every day in the newspapers a weather report given of different places, like what is the temperature of that city or that weather conditions, like it can be asked that the direction of the winds, even what is the percentage of that humidity. This kind of different information given in that newspaper. Even in the news channels you can get to listen this kind of news. Do you ever search in your mobile phone? This is the time of technology. I think everyone is having mobile phone at your home. You can search that today's weather. You will get to see with the time interval different kinds of weather it will be given there. Like it is that some degree of temperature, 34 degree temperature at 10 o'clock. Then after 1 hour, 11 o'clock, it will be 36. Or this kind of, it can increase or decrease according to the other conditions of the weather. So we can see the whole day's weather also different conditions, different percentage of humidity, different also temperature in degree centigrade. Okay, so this way we can get to know about the weather about a day even, and this weather it help us to move outside or to travel any of the area. Okay. Now we will get to know about the effects of weather. Effects of weather. How the weather affects us. You know that when there is raining, we use raincoat or umbrella. When there is also windy, we try to stay at home. And when we feel cold, we use some also heavy or woolen clothes. When we feel very hot, we use or we wear light and cotton clothes. So according to these conditions or weather, we use also different kind of things at necessary basis. Even according to the weather, sometimes the flights it cancel due to the storm. Sometimes due to a storm that fishermen they reject or they do not move to their that fishing. So this is also creating an effect in our life. And here we have to know that what are the main conditions here. I am always talking that condition, atmospheric conditions. So what are the conditions? Conditions of atmosphere are these are temperature, then air pressure, temperature, air pressure, humidity means amount of moisture present in the air, even wind direction, rainfall or snowfall, that is precipitation. So all these are the conditions of the atmosphere. According to that, we also call up weather is this kind of dry or windy or cloudy or sunny. Is it clear, students, what is weather? Now we have to understand what is climate. So hopefully all of you have understood that what is weather. Now climate is very important here. What is climate? Climate will be always in broad sense. Okay, always in broad sense. So it is the sum total condition, sum or total condition of weather. So whatever all the conditions were there, it is the sum total condition of weather of a large area which experience, we can write which experienced 30 to 35 years and does not change continuously. So within this definition I have say all these points. It is a subtotal weather condition. It is also of a large area, experience 30 to 35 years, and it does not change continuously. So these all points we can write whenever we will discuss that the difference between weather and climate. So climate is a subtotal weather condition of a large area and which experience over 30 to 35 years and which does not change. You can expect every year. We know every year that March to May there will be summer season. We know that June to September there will be rainy season, and we also know after that December to February, March there will be winter. And we expect every time, every year that this time it will come. Maybe some days it can also differ from their expected date, but it is the estimated date. Okay, so same way the different parts of the world are having different types of climate. In our Indian climate, basically we can say this tropical monsoonal climate. But in the other parts of the world, polar climate, taiga climate, tundra climate, then equatorial climate, so different kinds of, even Mediterranean climate we also can get to see. So these are the different types of climate we can put as example of climate. Is it clear, students? So what is climate? Students, you are getting to see different types of climate in the map of world. Now we have to know the effects of climate. Effects of climate. Climate is having that large effect on our life. According to climate means all the weather conditions, temperature, rainfall or snowfall, then humidity, then air condition, wind direction, all the air pressures, all here it will be also mentioned. So according to the climate, any of the areas or any of the countries or continents, that whole that lifestyle will be changed. If any area is receiving heavy rainfall, the species, animal and both plant species, it will be different. Like in that heavy rainfall zone, we can see rainforest or dense forest. There are people used to grow rice crop because heavy rainfall is there. Where there is very less rainfall, dry kind of weather, there we can see that climate is perfect or suitable for growing of wheat. I can put another example. The Southeast Asian countries are having basically that rice production. Why? Because heavy rainfall, temperature suitable for that. But the European countries, there we will also get to see that they are growing crops but wheat maximum growing. Why? Because that climate is perfect or suitable for growing of wheat. Same way, it is also affecting in our lifestyle or dressing sense. Whenever we are living that area like desert area of that world, desert it means the Sahara desert, Atacama desert, even the Thar desert of India. We can see that people used to wear very light and loose and cotton clothes to be free from this kind of scorching heat. And other side, the polar area, people use very heavy woolen and also woolen clothes to keep their body warm from this chilling cold. So according to the climate, how their lifestyle, food habits, it all changing. We are getting to know this is also a very important point in our life. If the climate will be changed, everything will be changed. Our lifestyle will be changed. Do you know also, I can put another example that effects of climate. In the desert area, we see the animal species like camel who can survive without water for several days. Another side we can also see like that where the water are also available maximum. There are other kind of animals where the water is very less, xerophytes or cactus kind of plants we can see. But other side where there is heavy rainfall, we already have said that is a tropical evergreen. Even the hilly areas, we can say that coniferous like pine, fir, devdari, this kind of that plant species we can get to see. So here you have seen how the climate creating effects in our life. Even in the hot areas, you will get to see the elephants. Okay, and that the cold area, polar bear. Okay, students. Here, students, we are getting to see different parts of the world is having different kind of species of animals and plants. Their lifestyles also differ on that basis of climate characteristics. Even the characteristics of the plants also differ according to the characteristics of that climate. So here we can say these are the effects of climate. If the question asks what are the difference between weather climate, what we have to write? We have to first always have to write in table form. This is weather and this is climate. Here first will be the definition. Okay, both for both. Number 2, weather for small area, climate for large area. It changes continuously. It does not change. Even experienced more than, or we can write experience over 30 to 35 years. Here then we have to write the example. What are the examples? It can be dry weather, then it can be windy, it can be cloudy, it can be sunny, rainy. These are the different that basically example you used to give, that today is the dry weather, today is the sunny weather, today is the cloudy or rainy weather. We used to say like this way. And climate example, it will be that tropical climate, monsoonal climate, tundra, taiga, polar, Mediterranean. This kind of different climates we can see. So students, here 1, 2, 3, 4 point I have given in that differentiation. So you can write, if the question asks, just first remember the definition. Your definition is the main key to remember all the points about weather and climate. Is it clear, students? Okay. So students, see that again, read if you are having book, read the book. If you are not having, see once more and be with me. Thank you so much. So students, have you enjoyed the class? Hope you will see the video and you will understand. Thank you once again.